Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Anggina Harahap, class TBA5, 7th semester, and I will explain the pronunciation. Pronunciation is one the most parts of English to communicate with others since there are different between the symbol and its sound. When we communicate with other people, we should not only have a good vocabulary but also have good pronunciation. Therefore, it is important to teach pronunciation. It is difficult for Indonesian students pronounce English words correctly. For example, when they are asked to pronounce the word diamond, they will pronounce diamond. It is because difference between their mother tongue in the English. The degree of difficulty in learning is also determined by the degree of difference between the two languages. The areas of pronunciation which we need to draw our student attention to include individual sound they are having difficulty with, word and first sentence, stress and intonation. But students will need help with connected speech for fluency and the correspondence between sound and spelling. This area of pronunciation are taught according to the statement above. They are the first working with sound, the last working with stress. Good pronunciation doesn't just mean say individual words or even individual sound correctly. This sound of word change when they come into contact with each other. English spelling or such as word roots and grammatically ending. The fact there is no complete one-to-one correspondence between letters and phonemes cause many problems for learners. Learning English pronunciation through the song can be very enjoyable. It may be easy to see the benefit of good pronunciation introduction for increasing. There are some reasons why pronunciation is important. For example, improved pronunciation show that students have become more native-like in their categorical perception of sound. This means that they are more likely not only to sound like native when they speak, but also to understand which sound that in word that native to them. Working with intonation, we need to draw our student attention to the way we use change in pitch to convey meaning, to reflect the thematic structure of what we are saying, and to convey mood. Intelligibility it's just as useful for increasing listening comprehension. Most English learners who suffer from inadequate training in listening comprehension complain that native speakers talk too fast. What this often means is that learners are unable to process important grammatical signals or effectively process context speech. Some songs can be quite complex syntactically, lexical, and phonetically, and can be analyzed in the same way as any another literary sample. For more, okay, that's all for me. If there's anything wrong, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.